Well, that was a better race. Now, I want to get this 2166 out, 365 XP, 365 special. One of them, not sure. One of the Husky guys. I mean, no. Now I'm going to compare it to that 390, which I'm just going to use the previous footage. And with this footage. The only difference between these 71 cc, so 372 shorter stroke, correct? 50.7 millimeter bore. Correct me if I'm wrong, something like that. Versus 390, 88 cc. This is a damn good saw. 28-inch bar, 24-inch bar. Haven't had this thing running this year, so let's see what you got. Probably have to adjust the chain a little bit. Just should be able to get through that. Just do some practice cuts over there. And really? Didn't know I had bullshit this year. When it runs, I'll get back. Fuck. thoughts before I even look at footage. 2165. It's got more torque. You can dig right in. Yeah, it's running 4-inch shorter bar, but you know, it's about good for that saw. I mean, you can put a bigger bar on if you want, but I mean, I just feel like it's got more bottom end power, especially like the upcut. I don't know, maybe just felt pretty damn good. So you guys will know before I do at this point which one won. So see you all on the next one.